Hello everybody, welcome to a new week. I am Daydream with E Prime. Actor Jaleel White is currently in the island. The Family Matters actor who is here for the Rujan Foundation 20th Anniversary Celebrity Summer Camp was spotted with his daughter by the Gleaner Lens at Jamaica Pegasus, the first of 3 events to be held in Jamaica. Rujan Foundation provides the necessary tools for education to rural and inner city schools in Jamaica and the United States. And fans of the actor can look out for him in the upcoming Star Wars Skeleton Crew around the end of this year. Busy Signal honored in New York. Busy shared photos of the event on his official Instagram page saying, quote, "Gratitude to all my supporters continuously. I'm just getting around to posting these. It's such an honor to be honored and awarded," end quote. On June 11, Busy Signal was presented with a certificate of special congressional recognition for his outstanding and invaluable service to the community by New York's Congresswoman Yvette D. Clarke, and also an award of distinction as a dancehall music legend. The awards were made at Guyana's 57th Independence Celebrations, organized by New York's Guyana Independence Celebration Committee. Now, Tracy Chapman's hit Fast Car is #1 on Billboard. Well, Chapman landed in the top spot on Billboard's Country Songwriters chart thanks to Luke Combs' rendition of her iconic Fast Car. Now, the track moved from #3 to #1 on the charts released over the weekend. According to Billboard, Combs' version of the song, for which Chapman is the sole credited songwriter, maintains its peak in the #2 spot on the Hot Country Songs chart and rises from 8 to 4 on Billboard's Hot 100.
You got a fast car, and I wanna take it to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove.
Even surpassing Chapman's original version, which reached #6 on the Hot 100 back in 1988. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydream. Thank you for watching. Be safe.